hopefully speechless seeing you all dressed in colorful attires to attend a very special yet very momentous occasion for me and my husband's wedding anniversary. I got mixed feelings, but more of excitement and happiness. But this occasion won't be worthless if I don't thank God first and foremost for making this union of our hearts that marks our years of love and togetherness, which is blessed with oh, sorry. Um, how I wish that He will bless us with more years to celebrate, such as a special and wonder marital relationships, with which we both spend with all of you. With this, I now warmly welcome each of you. Welcome and enjoy the rest of the night, with the evening. Thank you.
Alright, so welcome everybody. Official guest po tayong lahat. Apo, palakpakan titibagbagi tayo. Alright, and may I just say before I proceed with the next part of the party, ladies and gentlemen, Lex Mobile Bar is now open for our cocktails and shots. So now, our couple is indeed so very generous. Naramdaman naman po natin from the start of our time here. Kanina, we enjoyed the Just Sweet Thoughts grazing station, and as well, may souvenir na agad. Palakpakan nyo naman. Pagdating may mga souvenirs na. So, kindly check yung mga ushers natin. I can see one table here na parang may wala pang souvenir. So, please, give them na po yung mga wala pa po ng souvenir. Okay, speaking of souvenir, our couple has prepared a lot of prizes tonight. Okay, so may I ask our head usher, ay si Ma'am Grace, ay si Ma'am yata, to give me the list of names para po mag-draw lots na tayo. For the first set of winners. Yan! Sino po ba ang hindi nakapag-register dito tonight? Okay. Once again, I would like to say, is it correct for me to say, Aloha Nui Loa? What's that? Thank you very much. Wow, galing ko doon ah. Okay, so now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to draw first set of winners. 10 first, 10 po yun. Okay? To receive prizes over there. Ayun, so paki-assist po ako dito sa mga magbibigay po ng mga prizes. Okay, I would love to ask our couple to draw 5-5. Ayan, para sa kanila po ako. Ayan. Please draw 5, Ate Kath. All right, may we ask, of course, to assist us here, the beautiful Mang Lorena and the beautiful Ma'am Majang, please. All right, to assist for the giving of the prizes daw po. Maraming salamat. All right. Oh. All right, so 5-5 sila. Okay, sino kaya ang unang tatanggap ng mga prizes tonight? Ladies and gentlemen, ayan. Magka-countdown tayo ng 10 down to 1, ate, no? Pag wala sila, wala. Okay. All right. Our first winner to receive a gift pack is Miss Eileen Gail C. Lolokisen. All right, Miss Eileen Gail Lolokisen, are you here in 10? Yes. Wow! Si Doktora nga pala, oh. Kaya sabi ko familiar. Hindi ko alam na may Gail yung pangalan mo, Doktora. Thank you. Yes! Congratulations! And the next winner is Ma'am Eleanor Makugay. Ma'am, are you here? Ma'am Eleanor Makugay. Ayan! Hello, ma'am. Our former teacher at Batak Junior College. Ayan, Ma'am Eleanor Makugay. Congratulations. Next winner to receive the same prize is Miss Edna Limit. Si Ma'am Edna Limit. Come on. Okay. Ayun. Next winner. Tama na muna yung mga babae. Lalaki naman. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Mr. Mark Jerome Kibuyen. Or Jerome. Yan. Mr. Mark Kibuyen. Jerome Kibuyen, please. Okay. Next, lalaki ulit. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bernie Pambid. Okay. Oh, puro lalaki na po. Mr. Azriel Agloco, where are you? Please come forward and receive your prize. Mr. Azriel Agloco. Okay. Next winner. This is just the first set, Apo. Levi Jean Castillo. You're the next winner. Levi Jean Castillo. And we still have 3. All right. Back sa mga babae talaga. Miss Elenita Domingo. Please come forward and receive your prize. Miss Elenita Domingo. And, back sa lalaki naman, Mr. Andre Awigan. Mr. Andre Awigan, you're the next winner po. Yes. Congratulations. And our last winner for this set. Last winner for this set is Miss Evelyn Lagmay. Miss Evelyn Lagmay. Okay. Miss Evelyn Lagmay, Ma'am Evelyn. Okay. Thank you very much and congratulations. May we ask all the winners apong umay kay Manitoy Sango, please? Mapantay ag picture Jay Sango with our couple here. All the first set of winners, Apo, please bring your prizes. Ayan, come on. All right. Para meron tayong photo souvenir with our couple here. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, once again, giving you the first set of winners. Ayan, sa ating raffle draw. Okay, palakpakan tayo manisuda, Apo. So, gising-gising lang. Ayan, agkararagtay lang, Apo, for us to be one of the recipients of the prizes. Ayan, na nakahanda para sa ating lahat. Okay, and this time, a photo souvenir with our couple. All right, thank you very much and congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, of course, celebrating this 14th year of their wedding day is really such a milestone. Palakpakan niyo, Apo. Sino po dito ang mga nagsa-celebrate din ng same anniversary, 14 or 15 or 10 and beyond? Sino po yung mga nag-anniversary? You have your spouses po? Kung wala, okay, it's time for us to take you back in time. In 2010, same date tayo, no? June 22nd, 2010 was the wedding day. Oh, June 19. So, medyo DJ laang panagawid da Apo. So, they celebrated it this 22nd. So, this time, ladies and gentlemen, let us try to reminisce especially yung mga guests or relatives who won't be able to attend during the wedding day. But this time, through this special and significant moment of our couple, will somehow travel back in time of how they enjoyed each other's arms their kisses and their staring of each other's eyes. How sweet they are, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for us to witness a sweet dance of our couple, Mr. Nick and Mrs. Kathy Sapuco, for their dance.
Love you always, and I promise I'll give you the best, my love. You mean more than life to me, and I love you more than words can say. You'll be the only one that I love for always, forever to cherish. I want you close to me and hold you endlessly, and feel you, girl, in my arms always. Yes, you are my sunshine. You are the reason I breathe for, and there's nothing I want more. I need you. I need to have you in my life. I want you always by my side, now and for always. Whisper these words to me, that we will always be together, just you and me forever. I want to give you my love, my heart, my soul, my life, and everything that I am. Always.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again giving you our beautiful couple right here, Mr. Nick and Catherine Sapuco. Let's give them a more congratulatory applause. And this time, continue dancing po, as we are going to give you the band with another love song. And this time, calling all the family members and all the married couples here tonight to join them on the dance floor for another sweet music. once again, maybe encourage everybody, all the friends, batchmates, and relatives to join them dancing.
Sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
Hold your partners, wala pong aalis sa dance floor, please. Ayan, okay, please. Ayan. Palakpakan po natin. And also inviting everybody, Jano and JD, where are you guys? Because this time, we are going to give you a line dance for everybody. Special request of the couple, Achy Breaky Heart. Ayan, for everybody to join for the LA Walk, sabi nga nila. So may we ask JD and Jano here. Ayan, our DIs. And everybody, please join us. Tumakder kayo amin apo. Batchmates, asan po yung batch 87? Likewise with batch 94 of the Batak Junior College. So please join us all here sa dance floor natin. Maluwang detoy dance floor tayo apo umay kay amin. Ayan, alisto lang detoy. Ayan, come on please. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our DI Saman, Jano and JD. Come on. Ma'am, dito kayo.
You can tell the world you never was like her. You can wear my clothes when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friends just wonderful and big and laugh and joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms go back to the farm. You can tell my feet to the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips. achy, breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, I just don't think it understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Close your eyes and you can't sleep, 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 sleep. And it's down to the sound of our heartbeat. I can hear the things that you're dreaming about. When you open up your heart and the truth comes out. You tell me that you want me. You tell me that you need me. You tell me that you love me. And I know that I'm right, 'cause I hear it tonight. I hear the secrets that you keep. When you're talking in your sleep, I hear the secrets that you keep. When you're talking in your sleep, and I hold you in my arms at night.
Come on, everyone, join us. Pabalik
Hold
ng Terapo, come on.
Spotlight.
Ma'am Lina.
And all your dreams that you keep inside. You're telling me the secrets that you just can't hide.
Yan, maraming salamat naman. Thank you, R&B and the Side Street Band. Maraming salamat. Always a pleasure. Okay. Oh, kabisadok dagitay nagsala apo. Ito'y awan pay. So mamaya, for the next line dance, ito'y met apo. Ayan, so ladies and gentlemen, this time, it's time to be giving prizes again. So, ayan, I'm gonna get apo yung ating mahiwagang, anong tawag dito? Mahiwagang timba. Yeah. Bowl supposedly. Okay. Okay. Okay, so again, sa mga hindi pa po nakaupo properly, please kindly wait for the seats. Nagpa-set up tayo apo, the additional tables and chairs. Maraming salamat po. All right, for the next set of winners, we would like to call in. Please come forward and receive your prize. Oh my God, Ate Jenny Garcia, sumalakan tutot ta, ah? Okay, thank you very much. Next winner. Ate Jenny Garcia was one of the classmates or batchmates ng Class 84 of the Patak Junior College. Next is Mr. Mariano Urnos. Mr. Mariano Urnos. Sandali. Wala pong apelyido. Pero feeling ko talaga si Tita Vicky. Tita Vicky, sa'yo to, no? Okay. Ma'am Vicky Abelion, please. Congratulations. Okay. Next is Elizabeth Morales. Elizabeth, na kapatid ni Jonathan, na nagtatrabaho sa FFF. Charot, joke lang. May mapasok lang, di ba? Next winner is Miss Aida Pekpek. Ayan, Miss Aida Pekpek, please come up forward. Ma'am Hulita Kiawit. Ay, grabe, kasang-sangpet na lang ni Ma'am, nangabakin. Okay. Next winner is Miss Pureza Wakera. Okay. Okay, agan-anos tayo apo aya. Digiti dating na lang. Agi pa set up tayo ba city tables and chairs. Thank you. Next winner is okay. Miss Jam Rante. Ayan. Miss Jam Rante, please come forward, anak. Ma'am Pereza Wakera, are you here po? Ay, ayun. Okay, thank you very much. And I think we're done or last winner pa? Okay. Anak ko, please receive your prize. Ayan. Ma'am Carmelita, let me love you, Carmelita Roldan. Okay. Yan. Okay, next winner is CJ Agulay. CJ Agulay. And I think we're done for the second set. Maraming salamat sa our couple. Please palakpakan nyo manin ni Suda Apo. Ayan, grabe with all of your presence here, valuable presence, Apo, nagaduti mga ayat. Kadigiti couple tayo because we are getting bigger tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, we still have wide enough na space po para mag-set up ng ating tables and chairs sa gitna. Thank you very much for coming over, moms and sirs, to give grace and glamour to the celebration of the 14th year wedding anniversary of Nick and Kathy. And now, this time, may I ask our beautiful couple, please, para lapitan po ang ating beautiful wedding cake right here. Anniversary cake, rather. All right. So, may we ask this time our catering staff, please, to pakibigyan po kami ng slicer. Ayan, please. Slicer, please. And, para naman, because as always, ladies and gentlemen, ang cake always symbolizes fertility or prosperity and of course, abundance. Ayan. The abundance of God's grace in the life of our couple here with all of your prayers, the fertility of your love, and your great friendship for them. So ladies and gentlemen, with this beautiful anniversary cake, ayan, ikakat po nila at it symbolizes and signifies that they're ready to share more healthy and more fruitful years of togetherness. Ayan, so eto na po, ladies and gentlemen, and up next, after this cake will be... Okay, after this, ladies and gentlemen, we will be sharing a toast. So yung may mga cocktails or shots po dyan, please join us on the next part. So... Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, while waiting for the cake, I think, Sir Lex Mobile Bar, can I ask for 2 cocktails, please, for our couple and 1 for the sister? Ayan, para po. Alright, so it's time for us to, of course, share a toast, ladies and gentlemen. Or if you have the slicer, please hand it over. All right. So meron tayong slicer, ladies and gentlemen. So Ate Cathy and of course Nick. Ayan. Anak ko, because by blood, nakakisudan ko. this time, as always, naalala mo pa ba kung ano ang gagawin sa pagkat ng cake? Nung kasal nyo, sino ang naghawak ng slicer? Ayan. Being the wife, ikaw, and then i-assist mo yung handang asawa mo. Ayan. So please, can you document this part, Apo? So ladies and gentlemen, at the count of 3, they're going to cut the beautiful cake. In 3, 2, 1, palakpakan tayo man, Apo. Our 14-year couple for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, sharing their beautiful wedding cake. Ayan. Pwede kayo mag-slice ng isang part, a part of that beautiful wedding cake of yours. Alright. Doon kayo, ate. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan tayo man, Apo, ang ating couple. Ayan, for their subuan ng 14 years. Ayan, go! Ayan. Thank you very much. Thank you. And now, please ready for the cocktails. And this time, before we're gonna share a toast for everybody, I would like to call the beautiful sister of Kathy. Ayan, palakpakan tayo man, Apo, Miss Lorena de la Cruz Owings for a message.
Okay, they're like whispering to each other. Shh, 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 shh. Mary Jane, I can hear you. Shh. Okay. All right, so 14 years ago, I was privileged to witness the union of my sister Kathy and brother Nick as the maid of honor. It was a beautiful wedding and a very fun celebration. Like their wedding, their marriage is full of happy moments. Amuyo, Apo. I'm close with both of them, so makitak no kasanuti kinaragsak da. I love that they get each other's jokes and sarcasm. Moments with them are always full of laughters, and of course, naimas nga makanta na lang agluto. Brother Nick, thank you for loving my sister unconditionally. I'm starting to get emotional now, but thank you for being a supportive husband. You are a very hardworking person who wants the best for his family. I could see my sister getting emotional now, so we are really sisters. Sis Kathy, saan ka unay ngagtangtangsit, ah? I say this, but in reality, you do have a big heart. You are a giver, and of course, best cook ever. Ure ka sa nga adda tangtangsit na apo, I know that you have so much love and respect for Brother Nick. To both of you, stay in love, take care of each other, and keep having fun in your marriage, as you already do. I believe this is a cheers, so if you have a drink in your hand, please raise your glass. Oh. Put it here? Okay. For many more beautiful years of marriage. To Nick and Kathy! Cheers! Oh, cheers. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, the ever-loving sister, very supportive Ate Lorena. Thank you very much. Okay. All right, maraming salamat. So let's continue to celebrate. This time, let's get to hear more beautiful and kind words for our dear couple here. So this time, it is indeed a great pleasure after 14 years na inanak po nila sa kasal ang dalawang nilalang na ito na nag-isa bilang Mr. and Mrs. Nick Sabuco. Ladies and gentlemen, we are so glad to have them here as one of the principal sponsors and to give their more pieces of advice, of course, and kind words and wishes or in a form of prayer. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get to hear from Ninang or Mrs., the former manager of